Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Eldoria, nestled between velvet hills and crystal rivers, there lived a dragon named Fyodor. Unlike most dragons famed for their fiery breath and ice-cold gaze, Fyodor had a unique quirk. His breath was a gust of wind, and when least expected, he sneezed. These sneezes were no ordinary sneezes. They would cause whirlwinds, sending anything nearby twirling into the air. Fyodor lived on the edges of a quaint village called Whimsical. The villagers, initially terrified of Fyodor's sneeze-induced whirlwinds, eventually grew fond of the dragon. Recognizing his gentle heart and playful spirit, the villagers came to cherish these unexpected gusts, for they brought with them a touch of magic and excitement to their simple lives. As Fyodor's birthday approached, the villagers decided to throw him a grand birthday bash. The celebration was a thank you for the joy his sneeze tornadoes had unwittingly brought them. They decorated the village square with colorful banners and prepared a feast with delicious cakes, fresh fruits, and savory meats. The star of the celebration was a landscape-sized birthday card crafted from straw, flowers, and shimmering stones, laid out on the grassy knoll overlooking the village. Each villager had penned their well wishes and drawings, hoping Fyodor would appreciate this massive gesture. The day of the bash arrived, and Fyodor, feeling the celebration in the air, flew down to Whimsical. As he landed, the villagers cheered and musicians began playing lively tunes. Fyodor reveled in the merriment, basking in the warmth of friendship and laughter. As the festivities reached their height, a tickle wiggled into Fyodor's snout. Achoo! Griffin, one of the village's sheep, caught in the whirlwind, landed safely into a haystack, giggling at his adventure. The villagers laughed and applauded. Fyodor's sneeze had, once again, added an unexpected thrill to the celebrations. The day concluded with Fyodor thanking his friends for their kind-hearted surprise. The bond between the dragon and the villagers deepened, united not by fear, but by shared joy and understanding. As the stars dotted the night sky, Fyodor returned to his lair, his heart filled with gratitude, knowing that his sneezy nature was not just a quirk. It was a delightful treasure shared with those he cherished most.